My name is Enmanuel Madera. I am a data engineer with approximately 20 years of experience in the data space. 8 of those years I've been doing data engineering and using technology such as AWS, Azure, GCP, and some custom data pipelines and engineering. Today, we're going to go over some of the questions that recruiters ask for data engineer candidates. Question number 1. ETL is basically extract, transform, and load. What we do with extract and transform and load, we extract the data, transform it, and then load it. In the other hand, ELT, it's kind of similar, but we do the extract, we load, and then transform. As perfect example of the ELT is using getting the data as the rawest format and load it into a database or data warehouse as a staging table, such as, let's say, BigQuery or Snowflake. Once we load the data there, we do transformation using stored procedures, transform that data, and then load it into a data model. Another question I normally get, Unity Catalog is basically it's a catalog of your data. It gives you the information and the metadata of where the data is coming from, how you're housing the data, and what you're going to do with the data. So for example, in Unity Catalog, you can create a database, and inside that database, you can create tables to house your data. That is the Unity Catalog within Databricks. Now, there are also other variations as a data engineer that you will be asked from a Databricks perspective is how you do your workflows. So there's a space in Databricks that you can create your workflows, meaning that you can create your notebooks in PySpark and then schedule those, as a workflow. Now you can use that workflow and use Airflow and use the Databricks operator in workflow to call that specific workflow and then create your pipeline through that. You don't really have to schedule the workflow or the pipeline in Databricks itself, just can use Airflow for that. Although you can use both, you can leverage both. Stay tuned for the next video where I will be explaining more questions that recruiter asks for a data engineer. See you next time.